अजिरुत आम्ही आता एक लहानसा रॅपिड फायर खेळूया.
Okay.
रेडी?
I'm ready.
Okay, all right, let's go ahead. All right, rapid fire round with our singer Akshada Thalavlikar. Are you ready?
Yes, all
All right, let's get started. What influenced you to be a singer?
What influenced me? That's my first prize that I got.
All right, are you from a musical, singing or artistic family?
Yes.
Okay. जोरीतोर परफॉर्म करता असताना तुझे लागी एक मिस्टेक झाली जाल्यार तू कितें करतलें?
हांव स्टॉप करता म्हणपाचें.
Okay, and then you restart.
Yeah.
All right, good. Who would you most like to collaborate with?
David, of course, right now.
Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years?
I would see the same. I mean, artist life is the best life. So whatever
Alright.
I am, I'm happy with that.
Okay. How has dancing inspired you?
No, not dancing. Not inspired.
Okay. तुम्ही टीव्हीचेर लास्ट कितें पळयल्लें?
Criminal Justice on Prime Videos. That's
You
what I
like
love.
watching crime?
Oh, I love.
Okay. What's the first concert you've ever attended?
I've attended Shreya Ghoshal. That was in Shama Prasad.
Okay. What is your favorite game of all time?
Hockey.
I'm
Butter polishing. Butter polishing David.
What is your favorite store?
Store and
Rain or snow?
rain
Go to a concert or go to a sporting event?
concert.
What award would you love to win?
iPhone.
McDonald's or Starbucks?
Starbucks.
What is always guaranteed to make you angry?
Petty talks.
Okay, 3 things that people don't know about Akshada.
That I'm very sensitive, I'm emotional, and I am innocent again.
All right, well played, yeah. Moving on to David, are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay. Do you think anyone can dance?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Which is your favorite place to dance?
Weddings.
Describe the best performance you've ever put on. What did you learn from it?
National television. Boogie Woogie.
Okay, and what did you learn from it?
You have to work harder.
All right, okay. तुझा favorite आवडीचो dancer कोण?
Mine is Michael Jackson is there.
ओके. तुका दिसता तूं एक फेमस डान्सर जावन तुजें लायफ अदीक टफ जाला म्हूण?
Good.
Right.
It is tough, but it is tough in working harder.
Okay. Do you like to play sports or dancing?
Both.
Do you like to use social media a lot or not?
Not much.
Are you
Only one, Facebook.
okay? Are you an early riser or a night owl?
Early riser.
तुझा inspiration कोण?
Nobody at present.
Okay. Can you work weekends?
Yeah.
Do you have any question for me?
Would you dance with me?
Yeah. Would you dance with me?
You helped him. Okay. What word do you have a hard time pronouncing?
Sometimes we go to outside states, Hindi. It goes over head sometimes.
Those words are difficult.
But still you manage.
Yeah.
Okay. तू चोट टेक्स्ट कोणाक करता?
I text in a group.
Okay.
There's a children's group.
Okay. So there.
Yeah.
Name a 4-letter word that starts with the letter B.
Bear.
Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. कितले फास्ट आहे लक्ष बोलते. What do you collect?
Nothing.
Nothing. 3 things that people don't know about David.
David gets angry very soon.
1.
One, he will say something to you, but he from inside it does not mean to him.
2.
He's just a normal guy drinking tea on the gada.
3. Well played, yeah, both of you. And now we are
So
moving
these are
on
the
with
3 things that nobody knows.
No.
That you get angry. And that you have chai.
If you see me on
It's
the
something
set,
that is something that nobody knows. That we know that you get angry. We know that you go and have chai.
He has a face,
He's wrong. You give the hamper to me.
hamper you give it to her.
I'm saying because of that.